Good evening everyone and welcome to MedGate Today's special coverage on the medtech industry. Today, we bring you an important story about the recent press meet held by the PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry in collaboration with key stakeholders from the medical device sector. They addressed serious concerns regarding recent government policies impacting India's self-reliance in medical device manufacturing. The PhDCCI and the Association of Indian Medical Devices, along with Mitra and ADMI, gathered at the PhD House to discuss recent office memorandums issued by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, the Directorate General of Health Services and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. These memorandums allow the import of refurbished and pre-owned medical devices, raising alarms among industry leaders. Industry leaders warn that these policies threatened India's effort towards self-reliance under the Prime Minister's vision of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. They argue that importing refurbished devices undermines domestic manufacturing and poses risk to patient safety, as these devices may not meet the stringent quality standards required for new equipment. On industry concerns, Mr. Rajiv Nath, Forum Coordinator of AMED, said the recent office memorandum undermines the National Medical Devices Policy and puts investments made by Indian manufacturers at risk, compromising patient safety. The impact on innovation. Experts emphasize that allowing refurbished imports could stifle innovation in the Indian medtech sector, with local companies making significant investments in R&D. The presence of lower quality refurbished devices could disincentivize further development and advancement. On innovation, Dr. Sudhir Srivastava, past chair, PhDCCI, stated, refurbished imports not only compromise quality of care but also disincentivize investment in homegrown advancements. Implications on economy. Industry representatives expressed concerns over the potential economic impact. They argue that the reliance on imported refurbished devices could lead to the shutdown of manufacturing units, particularly affecting startups and MSMEs. Over this issue, Mr. Atul Sharma, co-founder Involution Healthcare, stated, claims that refurbished equipment is more affordable are misleading. Higher maintenance costs and shorter lifespans will ultimately burden our healthcare system. In light of these pressing concerns, industry leaders are calling for immediate action over this issue from the Government of India. They argue the Prime Minister to impose a ban on importing refurbished devices that are manufactured locally and to enhance post-market surveillance for all medical devices in India. A statement came from Shalini Sharma, Assistant Secretary General, PhDCCI. We seek to collaborate with the government to create a fair market space for Indian-made products, reinforcing the spirit of Make in India. The event highlighted the critical need to protect India's medtech sector and uphold the vision of a self-reliant India. As the conversation continues, the industry waits for a decisive response from the Government of India. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates on this evolving story.